So, um, post onboarding, you have many customers that in many cases will not have someone that they can speak with on an ongoing basis. So what Okta did is they actually built a post-onboarding autonomous success plan system for all of their thousands of self-service customers that they have. And they've built a recipe that was proven to be a big success that has 4 steps in the process. The first step, they capture customer goals. So they capture customer goals, they track it back in the CRM. So suddenly all of the organization knows exactly what Okta customers care about. And they do it in a customer-facing interface powered by Ever After. You could read the full story here. Yes. Once Okta captures the desired business outcomes from their customers, they reveal to the customer based on actual product data. They calculate the maturity of the customer and the missing configuration in order to achieve a higher level of maturity. The third step would be based on the customer desired outcomes and based on the customer missing configurations, they create on the fly using AI and using a lot of automation, a personalized plan to each customer with prioritized tasks that they need to achieve. So customers achieve that once, for example, we have a task here, enable FastPass. One, they will actually do it in the Okta platform. Okta will send an event to the interface, so the task will be automatically checked off. And in order to create more momentum and inspire customers to do more, once they reach a specific threshold, we unlock more advanced setup for the customer. And with that, something that self-service customers never have access to their data. No one ever asked them, hey, what are you looking to achieve? So suddenly they have like a very self-service approach to improve and increase their maturity and security measurements.